Hello, well, we've come to the end of our Royal Welsh Week, and what a week it's been. It's not the week that anyone imagined. Normally we'd all be in Llanelwedd and heading home after a successful week. It's still been a successful week, but just virtually, the first ever virtual Royal Welsh Week, with over 300 members competing this week and many more in their county federations. It's been a fantastic showcase once again of the talent that our members have. Dwi'n gobeithio ti'n mwynhau y wythnos hon, ond mae'n wahanol i'r blynedd diwetha. To have some normality this week, we haven't just had our competitions, but we've had our Rule of Fairs events, from the Livery Guild being launched to the Mentor Moch winners, the Dŵr Cymru placement winners, an international programme and even an NVZ meeting with organisations. Thank you to everyone involved. I hope you've enjoyed the week and it's brought some normality despite us not being in Llanelwedd. I also just want to take this opportunity to say a massive thank you to those involved with this week. Diolch fawr iawn i'r staff Clybiau Ffamir Ifanc Cymru am y gwaith caled ar yr wythnos hon a cyn yr wythnos gyda lockdown. Diolch yn fawr i'r staff y sir a swyddogion y sir, y cadeirydd y sir am y gwaith caled a cefnogaeth y mudiad fyd. Thank you to everyone involved in counties and at Wales level for their support and their hard work during this time, including our officers at Wales level as well. I also want to say a massive thank you to judges, scorers, trainers, our compers, but most importantly to you guys as members. It never fails to amaze me the resilience that our organisation has, from going virtual in the Royal Welsh Show to the work that you're undertaking in your communities and for charity during this really difficult time. I know it's not the week we expected, but thank you for making it a week to remember. And I really hope that if we don't see you soon, we'll see you in Llanelwedd in 2021. Cadwch yn saff, diolch yn fawr iawn i chi gyd.